All right, so let's start with a quick overview. So let's go back to just derivatives. Suppose we had a function f of x equals sine 6x squared minus 3. All right. If I were to take the derivative, what we'd have to do is use a chain rule, right? Because you have the sine of some function. All right, so we take the derivative f prime of x would be cosine 6x squared minus 3. Right, you leave the inside one times the derivative of the inside, which would be 12x. Right. So anytime we're doing an integration, we're to come across something like this. Right. So basically, if you were taking the derivative and you have to use a chain rule for an integration, right? If you saw this and just focus on this piece, ask yourself, if I were to take the derivative of this, do I need a chain rule? If that's the case, then this is going to need a substitution. Right. So when we're integrating a function with an inner function, then we need what's called U substitution. And we're going to do 10 examples on this worksheet to kind of practice U substitution. So a couple of key points for U substitution. Which is listed in the front of the worksheet. All right, first thing is that when you're picking the substitution U, you want to look for a parentheses. Or maybe a denominator. Denominators are thought of as really up parentheses. There's going to be a derivative part and a integral part. So just be very careful, make sure you have those kind of separate with the idea of this is this compartment, this is this compartment. And again, I'm just doing general comments here when we do the examples. This will hopefully make more sense. All right. The next thing is when you integration. Right. You're going to end up with a mixture of 2 or more different variables, just like with optimization. Only one is allowed. One is allowed. Okay. All right. The next thing is remember the plus C. So these are just a big overview of things. When we get to the examples, hopefully we'll revisit these points and then hopefully it'll make more sense.